श्रेयान् स्वधर्मो विगुणः परधर्मात् स्वनुष्ठितात् स्वधर्मे निधनं श्रेयः परधर्मो भयावहः.
Shreyan, better. What is good? Shreyaha. Is one's own duty, swadharma. Even if one's own duty is devoid of merit or not executed to perfection, which is viguna. Even then it is more better, it is shreya. Than what? Better than what? Better than duty of another, paradharma. Even if that paradharma, duty of another, is well done, well executed, swanushtita. Your own duty, vigunaha, not performed to perfection, devoid of merit, is better, is more shreya than someone else's duty, even if it is extremely well executed. Swanushtita. And he continues to say that death, nidhanam, during the performance of one's duty, swadharma, is better, shreya, than performance of paradharma, another's duty. So remember, the context here is Arjuna wanted to run away and become a saint. His duty is to, as a king, fight. Senayor ubayor madhye, he says, my bow is slipping out of my hand, my hands are trembling, I have sweat all over, my skin is burning. Bhagavan, let's get out of here. That's the context. So you want to go do somebody else's duty. Dying here, Arjuna, is better. Which we see all around in our life. We see people trying to focus on who. It happens in my organization all the time. You know, the development guy will say what the business guy should do better. The business guy will say what the development guy should do better. Let's focus on our work. There is a tendency to focus on others. The wife will say the husband is not doing the office job better, whether she knows about it or not. The husband will say the wife's cooking is not good, whether the person knows cooking or not. It's happened all around us. We are the Arjunas, you know, where we try to focus on other people's duty. We would like to do that, give up our own duty. Bhagavan says, if you do that, it would only herald fear. Bhayavaha. So a professional farmer, even if there is no rains, there is famine for 6 years, 8 years, 5 years, does not lose hope, because he knows, he has seen these cycles. Generations of farmers, his forefathers have seen these cycles. He keeps, you know, at his work. But imagine there was a weaver who takes to farming. The first drought, the first year without rain, forget about drought, the first year where there is no good rain, this person wants to give up and run away. Similarly, a true devotee does not deviate from her path of devotion for any reason whatsoever.